taste this and tell me how you feel.
Feel energetic.
I conquer what you expect.
How are you?
My name is Magic Jack. I have a magic trick. No, I have 3 magic trick. 1. Skiddies. Say it after me. Say skiddies. So, fair enough. You ready? You say you're ready.
Yeah.
Abracadabra, Lord God, watch ya.
What?
Don't worry about that now. Worry about that later. Next one. Phyllis. Say it with me. Say Phyllis. Fair enough. You ready? Abracadabra, Lord God, watch ya.
What is now?
Me say, no worry about what happen now. Worry about that later. Last one now. Bed this. Say it with me. Say bed this.
Bed.
Fair enough. Ready for the next one? Abracadabra, Lord God, watch ya.
So what? No, still not want.
Me say, don't worry about that now. Worry about that later. Anyways, you have a phone?
Yeah.
Let me see. Put it back in your pocket. Put it back. Alright. Outside.
Oh, my bad.
Peeps, what go on? I don't know your boy JNL. This is Jamaica video. It went very, very well. I don't know, 1 million views in the space of 1 week. That's a major achievement for we. But anyways, the party, Contest the Water, is a half naked party and a way I put it on. Which part? That's 1 Edley Avenue, half One Irons Road, June the 23rd. June the 23rd, that June we're in and now. Yeah, 23rd on Monday. Next week, Saturday. So people, make sure you look out for it. DM, you just follow me on Instagram and you keep up with the party and thing. You don't know JNL_comedy on Instagram. So peeps, thanks for the support. You don't know this is Jamaica video went very well as I said earlier. So I want to like, share and also subscribe. I'm gonna put some more videos on the screen right now so you can check them out. You don't know, make sure you subscribe. Look a circle thing right so yeah man. Big up on yourself, you don't know your boy JNL.
If not for them could have teach success, them gone with my long time. Me don't know how them do it, dog, how some of them so bad mind. If not for them could have teach success, them gone with my long time.